Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from Experimental Homestead or Exotic Gardening, SheriAnnRicherson.com and biannualblogathonbash.com. And if you give me just a moment, I want to tag some people here. And sorry, I'm trying to make sure that I tag everybody here. Okay. I think I have people tagged. Now my screen went away. There we go. I have something really exciting this morning. My friend Brian, who I just tagged, has sent me a surprise box. This actually, and hi Stacy, I'm going to try to bring you on camera, unless you don't want to. Is it okay to bring you on camera, Stacy? I'm trying to watch messages. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Okay. All right, Stacy, I'm trying. If you want to come on camera, I don't know what you need to do on your end. Anyway, while I'm deciding if she wants to come on camera or if she can come on camera, I want to go back to talking about this box. This box came from Puerto Rico. And what I hadn't realized until I placed this order is it was 20 years ago that I started growing Theobroma Cacao, which is the tree that produces chocolate. I hadn't realized it had been that long, but Brian looked back in his records and let me know. So that was really exciting. In all those years, I've learned a lot. I have got them to successfully grow and flower in a container indoors here in Indiana. And so now we're going to open this box. This is what the box looks like. Lots of newspaper. And like I said, this is a brand new variety that he is calling lemon right now. It's not technically named right now, but he's calling it lemon. And he says that's because, and I'm going to read and quote this from him. I just think that the size and shape are similar to a lemon. The tree gets loaded with yellow fruits that are reminiscent of lemons, and to me, the pulp tastes lemony. I think it would make a great crafted tree for indoor growers. So he's asked me to taste the pulp and find out what I think, and he's also sent me a recipe on how to make chocolate from scratch. So I'm really excited to try that. I've played with it in the past, but I haven't turned out a product yet that I'm real happy with. Once the newspaper is gone, this is what the inside of the box looks like. And these fruits are wrapped really well. So here we go. And these are small, I can tell you. These are really small, and he said they was. Oh, look at that. That is really, really ripe. But look how cute and tiny. And let's open up another one. He sent me 3 this time. And so I will be germinating some of them. And then, like I said, I will be attempting chocolate. Okay, there's one that really looks yellow. But you can see how they're ribbed. And this one is actually starting to crack open a little bit. So that is an older, more mature cacao pod. And one last one. Okay. Yes, when they start to turn yellow, they must start to crack as well. And because, well, maybe not, because this one has a small crack in it too. I haven't seen any that have been this small. And they are so cute. Most of them are really, really large. So I'm looking forward to, this is all of them. I'm looking forward to cutting these open, and I will be doing video on that. I'm just probably not going to do it live. And Stacy says the chocolate amazes me. I believe you spoke on that subject at RJ Basket a few years ago. I did. I had just done the other video I did of the scrapbooking. I showed the newspaper clipping of the article they did on that, and also all the letters that the kids that went to RJ Basket sent me after I did the presentation, which to me was just amazing. The kids were so into this and so excited that they got to take home their own seed and try to grow their own little chocolate tree. So like I said, some of these are going to go into propagating some chocolate trees. So later this summer, I will have some. And then I think 2 of these are going to be used to attempt to make chocolate. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If I don't know the answer, I will definitely ask Brian. And again, this is what they look like. Now, I also was told, I know the old way to ferment the chocolate, where they dig a hole in the ground and they put banana leaves down, and then they scoop out the seeds and they put them on top of the banana leaves, and then they cover them with more banana leaves and they ferment them outside. I have been advised that there is a different way that they do it now, and I need to look a little more into that, because I've always wondered, how can I traditionally ferment here in Indiana, because the time that the pods are typically, well, the time the trees are typically producing pods, that's a better way to say it. It's too cold here to do fermenting outside because it's winter. And I haven't tried it, but I imagine doing it like that inside would be really stinky if you could even get enough heat for that to work correctly. So like I said, somebody had posted on my YouTube channel on one of my videos that there was a brand new way to do that, and I need to look into it. I know you can roast the seeds in the oven. I think I tried that once a long time ago, because you can also use a coffee bean roaster, but I don't have one of those. And finding one for home use has been a bit of a problem, because it's one of those things I thought I would get just so I could play with the cacao pods, because it is a lot of fun. And I will definitely update in my other video, because when I crack these open, I'm going to taste that pulp and see if I think it has lemony taste too. I imagine that these might produce a little different tasting chocolate, because the flavor of the chocolate has a lot to do with the region it was grown in. So, but I'm wondering if that lemon flavor has also transferred somehow into the seeds. Brian didn't say, so I guess I'll be finding that out on my own. And I know Nanette just joined. Hi, Nanette. I was just unboxing these new cacao pods this morning that I ordered. Stacy was interested, and I didn't think I could get these. And this is a later producing variety, so I was excited about that. So anyway, guys, please watch the replay. Like I said, this was just a brief unboxing. You have questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope all of you have a really great day. I'm off to class, and I woke up kind of late, so, I won't be doing anything until night. But anyway, guys, bye.